Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 6 divided by 1 over 2 multiplied by 3. So according to the rule of mathematics PEMDAS, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one division and one multiplication. So according to the rule, first we solve division because we start from left side. Now left side we have division. Then we solve multiplication. Now the equation become 6 divided by 1 over 12. So we solve it by the rules of KCF. K means keep first fraction, C means division change to multiplication, and F means flip the second fraction. So keep first fraction 6 over 1 and change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction. So multiply by 3. Now we 6 times 12, so they give us 72 multiplied by 3. So 72 times 3 they give us 216. So the final answer is 216. Thanks for watching.